Piston, soon to be, well, this end anyhow, soon to be Arrowhead. Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Currently, I am out of crowbar material for my arrowheads, but I did find this piston in my pile, so I'm going to turn this into the next arrowhead. And, of course, as Cato the Elder said, "Seth's billet must be completed." So that's what I got on tap for this week. Stay tuned. I'm just going to fold this over and weld it. All right, I've got this old broken file that I just cleaned up. And as long as I'm folding over that piston, I might as well stick this in it, right? Just want to grip it. tired. Choking up on hand. It's not going to be pretty this week, but actually pretty lucky we got what we got. Hold on to it. Man, that sucks. Pretty much gonna, I think, straighten it out and stop here because it's just so hard to hand to my tongue. That's gonna have to do. Okay, now it's time for some sanding and shaping. Okay, I got it all filed down. I'm going to go clay temper it. All right, looks pretty good. We'll run the file on it and make sure. Yep. Not really, not biting. So the Arrowhead looks pretty good to me. Fletchings, not so much, but I'm getting there. It's all fun and games till somebody gets hurt. Steve is forcing me to shoot this arrow. Hey, Steve. And if it breaks, it's his fault this time.
That's bullshit.
Get the stack. All right. Because once isn't enough. What do you think? What do you think of that?
Nice shot.
Yeah, I think that might be a bullseye or damn close. Okay, well, all right, it wasn't a bullseye, but it did hit the target, so good for me. Yeah, so Steve brought his metal detector out today, and lo and behold, we find this old arrow with the Mitsubishi tip and under there for about 1,000 years right in front of the target. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Had a pretty good day today. Got nice arrow made. You know, this one is special because, well, made out of a piston head, wrapped like a taco around a file, welded together, everything went nice. And then I clay tempered it, and you know what? It survived. It survived on my 35 yard field, but then I took it across to the 25 yard field, a little shorter, but that's where arrows go to die in my experience. And it hit a board or something, but yeah, survived, no problem. So that's good. I did get Seth's billet drawn out a little bit more. Doesn't look like it's changing, but it is 18 inches now, and I don't know, we'll see. I might have to add a little more to it. We'll see. You know, but I'd rather play it safe than ruin it. Boom. And actually, you know, had a little extra blacksmithing, and it'll probably be in the next video with Steve C. And so we're working on his pizza wheel project, and I started another knife out of a piece of broken spring coil. So we'll see, you know, eventually how that turns out. That'll be an upcoming video. But either way, pretty good day, and you know, I'm in a good mood, so that's always good. So I hope you had a good week, and I'll see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.